already committed. Yes. But see that so you are pretty. I just kept thinking about night and days. Hey, this guy, no, this is Harmonic. Harmonic, I think this is Harmonic. Make me fall in love again.
Just pretend I've never met nobody like you before. I'll never leave.
Hello guys. Hello guys.
Hello everyone.
Khasi people, Northeast people, wherever you're watching, Shalom, Meghalaya. Let us know, guys. Peace out. Gabs, Gabi from Africa. Welcome.
And I'm Suvi from Nepal.
And today we are going to fall in love again, guys. We are falling in love again with the Khasi people, Meghalaya. That is the music subtitle, Fall in Love Again. So
Not subtitle, it's the title.
The music title, sorry guys, not subtitle. And the music video also have subtitle. Yes, we have Ebenezer Lapang official music video. Bro, let's check it out. Did you subscribe or not? Do it, guys. People are watching, but they are not subscribing.
That's so rude of you
That's
guys.
so rude, guys. Do it for
You
her.
should, yeah, you should
Do it
for
because of
me.
her. See,
I'm wearing a traditional dress. You should
she's
at least-
from Nepal, but she bought this dress, guys.
Yeah.
She bought this dress so that to show you love. So show us the love, guys.
the love. See?
Don't be so rude.
How do I look, guys?
Subscribe only. It won't cost anything. How does she look? I told her it's ugly, but she can't believe that she's ugly. So tell it, guys.
No, he says I look beautiful.
No, she's not looking good on you, but they will tell the truth. Let's start.
You are
Subscribe
telling
now.
lies.
Do it. Start. Yes, sir. Hey, this is very old kind of scooty.
19th student.
Yeah. Ebenezer
Ebenezer
Lapang.
Lapang.
I think this is the guy, or maybe he's the actor. Hey, bro.
Uy.
Falling in love again. Okay, there was a
He was hopeless.
Oh. Yeah. My way. All those single pretty ladies are already committed. Yes. But see that so you are pretty. Just kept thinking about night and days. Hey, this guy, no, this is Harmonic. Harmonic, I think this is Harmonic. Make me fall in love again.
Just pretend I've never met nobody like you before. I'll never leave you, baby. I am sure.
Hey, I thought people are going to dance. It's amazing. At least they are. This guy is singing in English, so that is amazing.
I want to forget all those lonely days. I just want to be with you forever.
My ancestor
Sister
always
always told me to be loyal when it comes to love.
That's true. So since the first day I saw you, you're making to fall in love. You make me fall in love again.
Just pretend I've never met nobody like you.
I will
I'll never leave you, baby. I am
sure This is so amazing, guys. It's amazing. Oh, they are. Nice. Okay. All that I had in my heart. Please make my heart
For the rest of our life, I'll be your husband and you'll be my wife.
DJ Mayan. Oh, now people are partying. Just pretend.
Like you before. I'll never leave you, baby. I am
sure. Now it's couple
I
time.
swear.
Yeah. Yeah, very good. What about you, bro?
He's
What about
single.
you? What about you, bro?
He's
You are left
single.
alone, man.
What
side.
is that?
Okay, that was so amazing. At least I can say I'm listening to one Meghalayan
At
song
least we understood the
that I can
lyrics. Fine.
understand like
Yes.
80% of it, guys, which is really
No,
so
hundred
amazing.
percent because subtitles was there.
100% I understood the music video, and also 60% they were singing in English. This is what we call it globally. Like, believe me, bro, who is this guy? It's called what?
No, he was
Ebenezer.
Ebenezer.
Ebenezer here. Ebenezer Lapang. You really produce something nice. The music is really amazing because you know that there is people globally there watching and listening to the music because music is the universal language. So thank you for considering us for keeping subtitle and also singing in English, right?
Right.
This is so lovely music. You made us fall in love again, guys. So we'll do it. Yeah, what do you think? What do you think? Tell them something. For sure, they
Yes.
want to listen also from your side.
I said so a lot.
What did you say? You were just
I
reading
when
the subtitle. What do you like in this music video?
they say my ancestors said to be loyal
Hmm.
if when it comes to love.
Hmm.
That was good line. And what was other line?
No, don't read their
Uh,
sub. That is their lyric. What do
yes,
you
like
like?
of course song is all about lyrics. The
It's all
song is
about
all
lyrics.
about lyrics.
And then,
Lyrics lyrics
what?
can be felt.
Oh, you fell it.
Ah,
Wow, that's so amazing, right? Yeah, fall in love again, guys. Thank you so much. And this is lit. It's quality. I'm seeing all the group enjoying partying together. For sure, guys, you give nice content. Love from Africa.
and love from Nepal.
Wishing you all the
Bye.
best. Make sure subscribe and support this channel also, guys. If you can subscribe to us, you can also subscribe to them. That's we call it love.
Subscribe to him.